The 2013 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.